Hiya! This is a video tutorial to help you with this piece. It's called Flute of the Andes and it's from the Piano Adventures Lesson Book Level 1 by Nancy and Randall Faber. We're on page 32. I'm going to play this piece for you first of all the way through as it should be played, and then I'll break it down for you hand separately and into sections. So if you could just follow the music along, reading left to right as I play, that would be great. Just a note before I start, I'm going to be repeating line 1 because at the end of that first line there's a little repeat sign there. Okie dokie, here we go. This is what it sounds like. Okay, there we go. What a gorgeous piece. So one of the first things that you might have noticed is how echoey the general sound was. Now that's because it says at the top left-hand corner of the piece, hold the damper pedal down throughout the piece. So the damper pedal is also known as the sustain pedal on the piano, and it's the right pedal. So I was pressing that and holding it down the entire time I was playing. Right then, let's talk about the right hand first. So as I'm talking you through hands separately, I'm not going to use the pedal because it will just detract from the teaching points. So my right thumb is going to be on G, and this is my middle C for the purposes of this video. So my right thumb is on G and I play it twice. It comes in bar 3, and then my fourth finger will play the C. Okay, and then there's a rest, and then I play G, C again. Okay, so that's line 1. Then that will repeat. As I said, there's a little repeat sign at the end of that first line. Then on to line 2, bar 5, we go for a C again for 2 beats. 1, 2, then a G, 1, 2, and another G in bar 6, 1, 2. And then bar 7, you've got 2 Cs, 2 Gs, and then you have A for a minim, 1, 2, and then a G, 1, 2. Okay, then the next time the right hand comes in is on the third line, bar 11, and this next bar is the same as bar 3, so you've got your 2 Gs and then 2 Cs. Now the last line is almost like it's an echo of the initial sort of musical idea, which is just the G and then the C. You've got a rest at the start of each of these bars this time. You've got your G and then a C for 2 beats, and then again. And then the last time, the very final bar, there's a tiny little instruction in red in the music. It says octave VA or 8 VA. That just means you play those last 2 notes an octave higher than written. So you'll just move up to the next available G and play the G and the C then. Let's have a chat about the left hand then. So the left fourth finger is going to start on G. The thumb is resting on middle C. And you start with a G for 2 beats, and then a C for 2 beats. And then you do the reverse for bar 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And obviously that's going to be part of the repeat when you get to the end of the line. The next time the left hand comes in is bar 6. It's a singular minim just on the C. 1, 2. And then bar 9 and 10 is exactly the same as bars 1 and 2. Your G, then a C, and then again backwards. And that's the last time that the left hand plays. The only other thing to talk about in this piece is the dynamics. So the dynamics change a fair amount in this piece. It starts mezzo piano for bars 1 and 2, then mezzo forte from bar 3 all the way through to bar 8. Bar 9 and 10 is mezzo piano, and then bar 11 to 12 is mezzo forte, and then gradually it decreases in volume. So bar 13 you've got MP, and bar 14 you've got P. The other thing that you could try with this piece actually is try and put in the phrases. So you'll see some curved lines over the first 2 notes in bar 1 and also bar 2. There's a curved line in bar 4, and then later in the second half of the piece bar 9, 10, 12, 13 and 14. And so what you want to try and achieve here is adding weight to your first note, and then once you've played your second note, just have a little graceful lift after it, and then i.e. a break between the sound, and then so it's almost like a lilt there. And then again, if I just show you bar 4, so have a little lift at the end of each phrase, if you like. It just adds sort of light and shade to your playing, a bit of expression. Okay, so that's it for today. Let me know how you get on. Take care. See you soon.